Why do you need to install Ford F150 wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Ford F150 wheel spacers are common modifications for car lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Ford F150 wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Ford F150 wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Ford F150 wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford F150 wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Ford F150 wheel spacers can also be re-adapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smoother and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and straight than if it fits on a lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than the lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Ford F150 wheel spacers are designed with heat expansion grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in better shape. These grooves allow external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Ford F150, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.